Hi, I'm Sam Ferreri, President of Remax Top Realty and your neighborhood listing broker for the Department of Housing and Urban Development's FHA Homes. Welcome to our website. You're about to take a look at a stunning home that HUD has available on their unique selling system. Take a look around at this home, and when you're ready to submit your bid, give us a call at 832-200-5656. I have a very experienced staff who's ready and willing to help you find your HUD dream home. Now, check out this opportunity. We're very excited to be bringing you HUD homes. These are FHA foreclosures that are now for sale by the U.S. government. You can find some amazing buys here, so take a look around at today's offering. You can visit our website at www.thesamteam.com for more information, or give us a call at 832-200-5656. Well, what did you think of that home? It's got some great possibilities, doesn't it? So pick up the phone and give us a call and let us show it to you. Our number is 832-200-5656. Be sure to check out our website, www.thesamteam.com, for all the information you could possibly need. We look forward to helping you on the path to homeownership with your HUD home. Thanks for visiting.